Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Trick or Treat Yourself collection from Painted Polish. There are 8 polishes here all together. These are available right now, so I will link the Painted Polish website down below. Since these are releasing kind of late in the season for Halloween polishes, Painted Polish has said that they will have a 1 to 2 day processing time on orders containing polishes from this collection, so you can get them as soon as possible. I also have a coupon/affiliate code with Painted Polish, so I will have that on the screen and in the description box. 8 polishes here all together, and I'll get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Booze Cruise, and this is a lime green holographic, orange, copper holographic, purple, lilac, and navy metallic and holographic glitters in a white curly base. Perfect curly. I always say this for Painted Polish. She does curlies so well. So this is opaque enough to cover in 2 coats, but sheer enough that all the glitter stands out really nicely. It is absolutely packed with glitter, but not so much that it makes it thick. The formula feels really good. I was good with 2 coats on this one. You may want 3, just depending on how white of a base you want, because it does get a little bit more sheer after it dries down. There is a lot of glitter in here, so it is going to dry very textured. It's going to take a thick top coat to smooth out, and it is going to be more difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Booze Cruise. The next polish is called Bone to be Wild, and this is the kind of flaky version of the previous polish. So this is purple, red, lemon lime, green, and black metallic flakies in a white curly base. Same curly formula here, so feels really good on the nails, goes on really nicely, not too thick at all. It's sheer enough that you can see all the flakies, but opaque enough to build up in 2 coats. Obviously the flakies have a different look than glitter, but they'll also dry a lot smoother than glitter, and they will be a lot easier to remove. It just depends on what look you're going for. Again, I was good in 2 coats. You may want 3, just depending on how white you want that base, because it will be a little more sheer once everything is dried down, but I'm usually good with 2 coats of a white curly from this brand. So that is 2 coats of Bone to be Wild. The next polish is called Go Ghoul, and this is described as lemon lime green metallic flakies in a lilac curly base. This is a curly base, so it's a little bit sheer on the first coat. There is a good amount of flakies in here, and they stand out really well. I really like the contrast between the lemon limey green and the lilac shade. I was fully expecting to need 3 coats of this one, but this covered really well for me in 2 coats. And again, these are flakies, so they're not going to have the same texture or difficult removal that a glitter would. So that is 2 coats of Go Ghoul. The next polish is called Gourd Vibes Only, and this is described as lemon lime green metallic flakies in a pumpkin orange curly base. Just like the last polish, the curly base is a little bit sheer on that first coat, but the formula feels really good and it's absolutely packed with flakies. I do feel like that lemon lime color of metallic flaky is a little bit harder to read under this orange jelly base. I think it tints it a bit and just makes it look very yellow. This one covered completely for me in 2 coats, but I could see the need for 3 coats just depending on application and if you have a very white nail line or longer nails. So that is 2 coats of Gourd Vibes Only. The next polish is called Bad Scare Day, and this is described as lemon lime green metallic flakies in a navy blue curly base. So this is a curly base. It's a little bit sheer, but it's really not as sheer as I would expect. It's very saturated, covers pretty well. I can see just a little bit of nail line. While these lemon lime flakies looked very yellow under the last base, the orange base, they look very green under this blue base. This covered completely for me in 2 coats, and again, these are flakies, so they're going to behave themselves a little bit better. They will be easier to smooth out and not as difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Bad Scare Day. The next polish is called Hello Gourd-geous, and this is a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a harvest orange jelly base. Great formula. There is a ton of glitter in this, and it's not thick at all. The base is a little bit sheer, but very saturated. There's so much sparkle to this one from all the different types of glitter in it. Now, this is not just glitter, it's reflective glitter, which in my experience tends to be more textured somehow than just a normal glitter, so this is going to take a lot of top coat to smooth out. You might want a glitter grabbing product followed by top coat, and it is going to be very difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Hello Gourd-geous and also what it looks like with flash. The next polish is called Feelin Fang-tastic, and this is a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitter, pink galaxy holographic glitter, and micro holographic flakies in a vampy purple jelly base. A little bit sheer on the first coat, a little bit more sheer I think than the last polish, but still absolutely packed with glitter. Good formula. All of that glitter doesn't make it thick at all. This covered completely for me in 2 coats, and with polishes like this you do need a thicker second coat just to make up for all the texture that you get from the glitter in the first coat. Again, this is reflective glitter, so it is going to be very textured and it's going to be very difficult to remove unless you use something like a peel-off base coat. So that is 2 coats of Feelin Fang-tastic. And the last polish is called Howl You Doin, and this is a champagne mix of gold and silver reflective glitters, pink galaxy holographic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a navy blue jelly base. This is very opaque. Not quite a one coater, but very close. Formula feels great. Again, not thick at all from that glitter. I do think that if this is one that you use regularly, though, it is going to thicken up over time. Glitter just tends to do that a little faster than other polishes would. If you don't want to use a peel-off base coat, you can soak a polish like this off, where you just want to keep acetone in contact with the polish a little bit longer than you would to remove a normal polish, and you don't want to really scrub it. You can buy little clips that will hold an acetone-soaked cotton ball onto your nails, and you can just sit like that, or you could wrap it up in tin foil. So that is 2 coats of Howl You Doin. My favorite is going to be Bone to be Wild. I have said before that I think painted polish makes the absolute best crellies. One of my favorite things in the world is a white-based crelly, especially one that's Halloween or holiday colors. And I love a good glitter-based crelly, but something about these multicolored flakies I just love. They give off jawbreaker vibes, and I'm always drawn to it. So that is the Painted Polish Trick or Treat Yourself collection for Halloween 2023. Again, I will link the Painted Polish website down below where you guys can check those out because they are available right now. I also have my coupon/affiliate code with Painted Polish, which I will have on the screen and in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.